How to upload photos to email on phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can upload photos to email from phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to actually upload photos to email from your phone, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the email app. But first of all, it depends upon which email service you're using. You could be using Apple, AOL, Yahoo, Hotmail, Outlook, Microsoft email and so on. Since Gmail is the most popular, I'm going to take that an example. Then after I open up the app, I can go to the Compose tab here. Now I can simply go to Compose email, and now let's say I want to send a photo and upload photos to it. To do that, all I have to do is tap the pin like icon located at the top right hand side, then tap on attach file option. As I do that, I'll be able to select either multiple files, or I can select only a single file and leave it. Then tap on the select option, and then those images are going to get selected, and now I can proceed to send this email. This way I can upload photos to email from phone. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.